What's going on, people? Today you are skydiving with KT. So I'm gonna give you the ins and outs of skydiving and also the benefits of skydiving. So let's get started. This was my second jump, so I decided to go with World Skydiving Center. They're located in Jacksonville, Florida. They have excellent ratings and the prices are very reasonable. As you can see, the sun is shining and the skies are clear. That's pretty much the only weather condition that you can skydive in. So you'll definitely never see anyone skydiving in the rain, in the snow, or when it's windy outside.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going?
What are you up to today?
Oh, just about to take a lovely, good working plane in the sky and jump out of it.
Why would you want to do that?
Because it's life. You gotta
I like
make it memorable.
I like it.
Oh yeah.
Happy, scared, excited, nervous, terrified, anxious, stoked.
Yeah. We all that. All of the above. All of the above.
That's a good answer. All right, there's our spaceship.
All right.
Let's go do something dumb, play chicken with planet Earth.
And let's take off, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
Excited, full of energy. So I hopped aboard the plane, the spaceship as you call it, take off. So like I mentioned, this is my second time skydiving. Like I always do when I hop in that plane, you know, I say a quick prayer. And we off. So you know, you just keeping it cool for the camera. Then you know, all along you thinking like, hey, yeah, am I really doing this? Yeah. So we reached 13,500 feet in the air. You know, you take a look down. I'm cheesing. The classic look. Then go. This is what we call the Freefall. And if this is your first time skydiving, this is the point where your life changes forever. Like skydiving can really change your life. You know, it benefits you in so many ways. It helps you face your fears. You know, you can face everything and rise. It also gives you courage. I mean, hey, you just jumped out of a plane, you know. That takes a lot of courage. It also helps you build trust, and it also can help you with your communication. Yeah! Yeah! The most important benefit that I have received from skydiving is just the value of life. One of my favorite quotes is, life, it's not about how many days you live, it's about how many you can remember. So that's what it's all about, you know, just living a memorable life. You know, making the best out of cards that you was dealt and just paying it forward. And I guarantee you, after you jump, you can do a recap on your life. The things you used to stress about, you won't stress about them anymore. Taking a jump helps you to see the bigger picture. And what that bigger picture is, well, you'll have to take the jump to find out. Good afternoon, passengers. This is your Captain KT speaking. First of all, I'd like to welcome everyone to the Life of KT Flight 198668. We are cruising at the current altitude of 500 feet and an airspeed of 120 miles per hour. The time is 1:25 p.m. The weather looks good. The tailwind is on our side, and we are expecting a landing in Jacksonville approximately 15 seconds ahead of schedule. The weather in Jacksonville is clear and sunny, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight.
How was that?
Yeah.
We're going for a ride. Think about that.
Hey, brothers for life, man.
Yeah, good time.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, man.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, most definitely looking down, then jumping.
Yeah?
Doing the 3 count. 1, 2, go.
You'd do it again?
I'll do it plenty of
Oh,
times.
heck yeah, we made a
that's life.
skydiver.
All right,
Thanks
man.
for coming out to World Skydive, man.
Oh yeah, we enjoy it.
Next, I decided to go to the beach. And the beach was like 20 miles across the city. And that gave me the opportunity to put my drone up in the air. Jacksonville Beach, it's a nice sight. You know, you got wonderful food. You know, the beach was nice. The sun was out. You know, there was some surfers out. So I really enjoyed it. Hop on a nice little beach cruiser and cruise down the shoreline, you know, which was relaxing. As you can hear the waves and the seagulls in the background. If your metro don't trust you, So back to the bike ride. You know, it was definitely fun, relaxing, and definitely some great exercise. From the beach to the city, just cruising up and down the block. Definitely a fun time. Bike cruising also give you the opportunity, you know, to see what type of attractions are in the area, what type of restaurants are out, and all that good stuff. So just having fun. Now, about to get back on the road. Take it on back to the SIP. Enjoy my lights time lapse. You know, you see the clouds moving. I really enjoyed my time in Jacksonville, Florida. I personally think that Jacksonville is a hidden gem. It has plenty of nice beaches, the restaurants are great, and the river walk is a beautiful scene. It also has a pro NFL team. So like I said, it's a hidden gem that most people don't even think about. But I definitely enjoyed it. Until next time, Jacksonville, peace. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and always remember to follow your compass. This has been Life with KT. Peace.